G'day everyone, this is Scott here from Taylor Surveying. I'm out here at Maroota on a really large property here, brand new subdivision, and lovely place to work. There's cows in the background, and just installed a state survey mark SSM 146095. It's a brass mark that we have here in Australia, actually in New South Wales, Australia. It's in some concrete. I've got my Leica GS18T set up on it with a bipod, and I'm just undertaking some static surveying, and been at the point for about 8 minutes now, with the aim of occupying it for about 20 minutes so I can then send the data off to Leica SmartNet and they'll process it against the local survey grid. So that's quite exciting. Fantastic place to work. I know there could be some people stuck in an office, but this is my office. What do you think? Hope you're having a great day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.